In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create dependencies in Notion. Dependencies help you link related tasks so your project timeline stays organized and easier to manage. Let's get started. Start by creating or opening a database that contains your project tasks. If you don't have one yet, type a database and create a new table or full page database. Make sure your database includes a date property, since dependencies work with tasks that have scheduled dates. Next, click Add a View and select Timeline. Give the view a name if you'd like, then click Create. The timeline view makes it much easier to visualize task relationships. In the timeline view, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open the Layout or Timeline settings. Turn on Show Dependencies or Dependencies depending on your version of Notion. If prompted, choose how you want dependencies to behave. You can have linked tasks, shift automatically when dates change, maintain the time between tasks, or simply display the relationships without moving dates automatically. Once dependencies are enabled, use the dependency property to link one task to another. In the timeline view, you can also drag from one task to another to create a dependency if that option is available in your workspace. After linking your tasks, Notion will display the connections in the timeline view, making it much easier to track project progress and understand which tasks need to be completed before others. That's how to create dependencies in Notion. Thanks for watching.